In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask meal suggestion in the Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to write a clear prompt that helps Gemini return practical, beginner-friendly dinner ideas tailored to what you already have at home. Start by focusing on the message box in the Gemini Windows app and composing a precise, complete prompt. The key is to give enough context so the model can plan meals that fit your ingredients, time, budget, and cooking comfort level. Here's a great example you can type. Exactly as written if it fits your situation. Suggest 2 to 3 meals for me based on dinner. I have chicken, eggs, rice, garlic, onions, soy sauce, and some vegetables. I prefer simple American-style meals with a low budget and about 30 minutes of cooking time. I'm a beginner in cooking. For each meal, include the name, ingredients with amounts, simple step-by-step instructions, and estimated cooking time. Notice what's happening in that prompt. It lists the specific ingredients you want to use, sets the cuisine style, and adds constraints like budget, skill level, and total cooking time. It also requests a clear structure for the answer: the meal name, ingredients with amounts, step-by-step instructions, and an estimated time. This structure is important because it tells Gemini exactly how to organize the response, which makes it easier for you to follow when you're ready to cook. If you want, you can tweak the prompt to reflect what's in your pantry today. Swap chicken for another protein, increase or decrease the cooking time, or ask for fewer steps if you prefer something ultra-simple. The goal is to be specific, but still flexible. Keep your sentences clear and direct, and avoid extra detail that isn't relevant to dinner. When your prompt looks good, press Enter. Give Gemini a moment to compile the suggestions. You should see 2 or 3 meal ideas formatted with the details you requested. Read through them and check that the ingredients match what you have. If something is missing or unclear, you can follow up in the same chat with a quick adjustment. For example, ask for measurements in cups instead of grams, request a shorter prep method, or substitute a vegetable you actually have on hand. That's all there is to it. With a well-structured prompt and a single press of Enter, the Google Gemini Windows app will deliver meal suggestions you can cook confidently, on a budget, and in about half an hour. Happy cooking!